In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable account numbers on QuickBooks Online. Account numbers add structure and consistency to your books, making it easier to sort accounts, speed up data entry, and keep your financial reports tidy. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to QuickBooks Online with an admin level role, since changing company settings usually requires the right permissions. From anywhere in QuickBooks Online, look to the top right and click the settings icon. This opens your main company settings panel. In that panel, select Account and Settings. This is where you control most of the global preferences that affect how your books behave. On the left-hand menu, choose Advanced. The Advanced area contains powerful options that influence accounting, automation, and your chart of accounts. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Chart of Accounts. Here's where the account number feature lives. Turn on the option to enable account numbers. This tells QuickBooks to recognize and store a unique number for each account in your chart. After you switch it on, click Save to confirm the change. That's it. Account numbers are now enabled. A quick tip while you're here. In many versions of QuickBooks Online, you'll also see an option to show account numbers on forms and reports. If you want to see those numbers in places like transaction screens and financial statements, look for a setting labeled Show Account Numbers in the same Chart of Accounts section and switch it on. If you don't see that option, don't worry. The feature is still enabled behind the scenes, and you can assign and use numbers in your chart. Once the feature is on, you can open your Chart of Accounts and edit any account to add or refine its number. A common numbering framework follows a logical sequence: assets in the thousands, liabilities in the 2000s, equity in the threes, income in the fours, cost of goods sold in the fins, and operating expenses in the cents and beyond. You can adapt this scheme to fit your industry and reporting needs. Keep numbers consistent, avoid duplicates, and use leading zeros if you want everything to sort neatly. If you've migrated from another system, your existing account numbers may already be present once the feature is enabled. And if you don't see the toggle at all, double check your user role or ask your administrator, as access to these settings can be restricted. That's all there is to it. You've enabled account numbers, setting the stage for a cleaner, faster, and more organized accounting workflow in QuickBooks Online.